Okay, so this is a short explanation of ngTemplate used for displaying a use as ngTemplateOutlet. So for example, I have here a parent component, this one here, that uses this app_chi as app child. So this is the app child. So we want to customize how the data, this options data that we supply to it, is getting displayed. So the styling will not be inside here, but the style will be on the parent that is using the child. So for example, this one here, we display it as like this with an orange. But if we want to use it in another way and how to display it, we can say here that we just want to display it without the style. Let's see here, without the style. So this JBX template here is defined inside here in the app_chi. So we have a content child here, and it's getting reference, and the reference here is applied into the container as the template outlet. Okay, and then we have this context here, and this context is here can be used in the component that uses our uh, component, the client component. So for example, this XX here, this is an implicit implementation, so you don't have to put a variable. But if you're going to put a variable here, VVV, then here we can use a VVV here, and then this one here is the actual variable that we're going to use. So for example, this ZZZ here, we can also apply this one here and put it on a something like that. So if we check, so it's still implemented here. We can use something different here, RRR there, still the same because this is implicit, and this one here are named. So we cannot use a GGG here. Can we use a GGG there? No, it doesn't have because it's not represented here in the context. So we can use we want to select the VVV. Okay, so display that. Okay, hopefully that is just a short explanation of it. This is the outlet here. So maybe if we want to have another one, like a header here, so we can say here, this is the container for the body, and this one here we want to put the container for the JBX header template here. Okay, this one here, and then we want to display here the header template, this one. We want to put the header template there, and it doesn't have an explicit one, and we want to display it as green, and color is white. Wait. Okay, so okay, so why is it that it's not getting displayed? Uh, okay, so this is the JPX header. Okay, so this is the JPX header. No, just this one. Okay, so display it one by one. So we don't want to use that. We want to display it here. It's the header, and the O here would be a title here. Okay, see this one here. So it's the options, and this is our header. Okay, and we want to, so this is the header here, let xxx, so the xxx here should be like a title here, a title, and the title would be like an input maybe. But this is the title and it's a string, so header is here, but then okay here, but we want to display the title. See, the title is okay. So here, cool title. So this cool title here is getting displayed here through here, the title, and we display the implicit title here, and this one here is getting displayed because this is implicit. We can say here title X here, H2, so title X. Okay, that's it. See, title here, cool, XXX. Alright, so yeah, from now on I'm going to use this ngTemplate here because this is cooler than those very static implementation. This one is very powerful because you can style it from anywhere. Alright, cool, thanks.